Today, we're looking at how to use a headline on social media to make your post more clickable. This is QMS, which is Quarry Manufacturing and Supplies, and they are manufacturers of aggregate processing equipment. And what they do is they use social media really, really well. Facebook is one of their main sort of areas of expertise, and they like to post lots and lots of live videos and lots of videos of, I guess, that what's been happening on site, give lots of updates. They show how everything works. And one of the things that I really liked was actually this. So when you're trying to capture someone's attention, what is going to capture a business's attention more than anything? Make more money. That is going to capture my attention as a business owner. So make more money with a QMS modular crusher. They then go into all the detail about how about what they've commissioned and why, based in Northern Ireland. It's what it's to replace. They go into the detail on a 5-day week. That's a huge saving of £78,000 a year. That is massive. Then say find out more, contact the sales team. Now, if people didn't click on that, they would be mad. So I think that it is about capturing people's attention with an amazing headline, talking about a subject that's affecting so many people, aka money. It's a really good way of boosting engagement. Then having, like this kind of image here, as your, lower your fuel costs with a QMS cone crusher. Again, that image again backs up the caption. So again, it would capture your attention, and just keeping it short and sweet on how you can save money, and then get in touch. So there's a really good call to action. So if you want to capture attention, anything such as saving money will always be in your headline. Now, if I was these guys, one of the things that I would want to do is I would want to ensure that all of my content was planned in. Now, they do use social media a lot, and what they would be doing is scheduling all in here. So you can add in a post, and then here they can see across, say, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter if they use all 3 channels. And then they can also choose to compare themselves to any other business. So they can literally click in there and they can choose to compare themselves to any other business at all. And it might be ones that have already got built in, or it might be ones, another manufacturing business that they know is quite strong in social media. And then what they'll do is you would just click on it, and then it would come up below, and then they can start comparing and contrasting. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We love to help.